Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel, BB's Kitchen. Today I'll be making sweet potato pie. Before we do so, if you haven't done so, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, 1 can yams. I chose mini marshmallows. Then you have half cup brown sugar, 1 stick of butter, pecans, half teaspoon of salt, your casserole dish, and a mixing bowl. Alright, so you want to make sure to drain out the liquid before pouring into your mixing bowl. Next, I'm going to add half cup of brown sugar. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to put in the 1 stick of butter. I would recommend softening it before doing so, just to make it a lot easier when mixing. Now you're just going to mash everything together. Now I'm gonna pour everything into my casserole dish. Please be sure to preheat your oven at 350 degrees. Now I'm going to place it inside the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. Alright, 30 minutes has passed. I'm going to top it with my mini marshmallows. If you prefer, you can use the larger ones. I chose the small ones. You can use as much as you like. And then I'm gonna throw on a handful of pecans. And then you place it back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. And there it goes, sweet potato pie. Enjoy!